Hello, I am Anindam Mulli and you all are welcome to my course Python Programming Basic. Our today's topic is looping or iterative statements. As the name is saying, iterative, that means one after another, means same work do more times. For an example, if I tell you there is a bucket, if I tell you that please pour the water to the fill the buckets, then what you do? Means pour some, take a glass of water and pour. Then again take a glass of water, take the water and pour. Means how many times? More of times. Means do the same work on repetitive way. Iterative means repetitive way. Another another name, that is a loop, means we are using the looping statements, means repetitive statements. We are discussing on the while loop in this video. Now as you know on the, if you are habituated on the C programming or another programming language, you know what is the working procedure of the while loop. What is while loop? Now the syntax of this Python, of this while loop, is like there is a statement x. Okay, now we are use the keyword, that is while. On the bracket there is a some conditioner there. If a conditioner true, then go to this block. Now I tell you a thing, that for an example, if you think about on the C language, in case of this while, means while there is a condition, there is a second bracket, means curly braces. On the curly braces there is some statements, but in Python there is a some called indentation block. This is a semicolon, sorry, this is a colon basically. So this is a sentence, this block is now indented. Same way indentation is done as a curly braces. That means this is the body. This statement block is now the body of this while loop. That means block, indented block of the while loop. Now there is just another statement. Now, so go to our Python shell. This is a code like multiplication. I would like to show you the multiplication using while loop. So we are take a variable I assigned with 1. Now while I less than 10, there is a condition. If I value is less than 10, then go to the this block. This is indentation block. Okay, indented block. I equals to I star I. That means we are multiply I with I value. That means first time 1, I value become 1. Now 1 is less than 10. Yes, I equals to 1 into 1. That means 1 is stored on the I. Print I. That means 1 is printed. Now go to the next statement. I equals to I plus 1. That means I value is 1 now. The 1 plus 1 is 2. Again go to the while loop. 2 less than 10. Yes. I equals to 2 star 2. That means 4 is stored. 2, 4 are printed. 2 star 2, that means 4. 4 is printed. Then here is come 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now this time there go to the while loop, then check until the conditional break. Go to the while loop, then check the condition. If the condition is stop, that is the basically working procedure of the while loop. We can know that how the while loop work, but here we know that how the while loop work in the Python programming. Now press on F5 for run. Yes, as I told you. Now 4, print the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then again go to 5. 5 less than 10. Yes. Now 5 into 5 means 5 value is 5 now. So 5 into 5, 25. 25 is printed. Then I equals to 25 plus 1. That means 26. 26. Check. Again go to the while loop. 26 is less than 10. False. Condition is stop. Now for an example, I will like to show you an error. If I press the backspace now, save, go to the F5, expected an indented block. That means, so the indentation error means we are not followed our indented. Is Python, there is a types of error like indentation block or indentation error. That means cursor, if you are followed, that is the cursor is just automatically go to the where the means our block is started from here. After that, this is the indentation starting. This block is fully on the indentation block of a while loop. Another code is there, like here we print the first 10 number using while loop. I assigned with 0. Now while I is less than equals to 10, then print I. These are now what does it mean by I plus equals to 1? That is in place operator. That means the meaning of this is I equals to I plus 1. If we are replace it like I plus equals to 1, or we write I equals to I plus 1. Same. Means, for an example, I value 0. 0 less than 10. Yes, print the 0. Then come, I equals to I plus 1. That means 0 plus 1. 1. 1 is stored on I. Go to the while loop. Again go to the while loop. 1 is less than 10. Yes, print the 1. Now come here. I plus 1. That means 1 plus 1. 2. 2 is 4. Okay. So now 2 is less than 10. Yes, print the 2. This way the work is done by while loop until the condition is false. Press on F5. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 value is printed. This 11 value total from starting from 0. First 10 numbers. This is the use of the while loop in Python. While loop in Python programming. Thank you.